at the Stamps of Life, and whoa, new year. Can you believe it? 2022's got to be better than the last 2 years, right? I mean, right? Well, Happy New Year. 2022. Can you believe it? 22. Are we just going to call it 22? I guess we are. But we have so many fun things planned at the Stamps of Life. So I hope you put your socks on, because I'm going to knock them off. Put your seatbelt on, because we're going to be out for a wonderful ride, and we're just going to have an amazing year. It's a fresh new year, a fresh slate. We're going to start all brand new and fresh, and we're going to have an amazing year together. Okay? Are you ready? Are your socks on? Are you sitting down? Is your seatbelt on? Get set. Here we go. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.